Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Chainlink. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right in here, and the idea was, because this seemed a lot like an ABC zigzag and not an impulse, and also this move down was quite a strong one, and in it we took the low of our B leg. Maybe our move down is not over yet, and we are going to continue this move for quite a bit. So what happened, we did get from this point a continuation of this move down, and unfortunately at the moment in Chainlink I don't really have good news for you. First things first, in terms of classic patterns, I'm not sure if you like them, but if you do, well, I think we can all agree on this pattern being a triangle structure. And if this is the case, well, okay, what's the target for it going to be? You need to first put your chart on regular scale, there you go, and then measure the height of your pattern from here to about this point and put it at your breaking point, and that will give you about, let's say, like an $11.8 chain link. So from the current area, we can expect, I would say, at least another 5 to 7% move on the downside. And then what we are going to do next is going to be very, very important for me. Are we going to get a break of this unbelievably important support, which is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time? Meaning we go under here and get a candle close on weekly time frame, do a pullback, and then we get a continuation of the move down in order to take this low. If we do this, that is not going to be a good sign in Chainlink, and at that point I'm gonna say our move down is going to continue a bit more, but that's not really the main point of breaking this important support area. The main point is that the recovery phase is actually going to at that point take some time. See, let's say we want to break this support in Chainlink. At that point, I think we can all agree nothing goes up or down straight, right? So makes sense to say at one point in here, we're going to get a very strong bounce back and start the next phase of the bull run. And the moment that we get a bounce back, I promise you right in here, it's going to be a big obstacle. And from this point, I think we can get some sort of at least a temporary reaction. And this whole process is going to take some time. You see, the idea in Chainlink in the long term is that, let's just go on daily time frame, put the chart back on logarithmic scale. Okay, the idea is that we are having from this point 5 wave up into a wave 1. Probably this whole move is going to be a correction for wave 2, and if our correction is going to end before we break this support area, we can at that point comfortably get in the short term a very strong move up into wave 3, 4, 5. However, again, if we break this support, not only that's going to open some doors to more downward price action, but also getting back above these levels at that point is going to take some time, and you are most likely not going to see a very strong move up in order to reclaim these levels instantly. This is why I care about this important support area so much. So for now, let's count on another 7 to 10% move down in Chainlink, and let's hope that we are not going to break this area. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.